行的，吸住了吗？
这样就好了。So here are two measurements for you to adjust this place of the LCD. For this measurement, it can adjust it from up to down, but make sure that you do not press the vacuum pump in this process, because if you click the vacuum pump and this one will get stuck here, and it is hard to adjust the direction from up to down. And this one is for you to adjust from left to right. So make sure that it is in the right direction. Okay. And for the same type of form, you just need to adjust this machine for once. This is the testicle, which will make it more easier for you to peel off the film of the polarizer. And then, since the alignment is making good, so just make it here and use the thumb strength on this roller, and use your right hand to press it to the right side. See here, there is no bubbles.
还要贴个 OCA。
这个不用取下来吗？
不用。
Okay. And after we paste in the 还要涂精灵饮呢。
先贴 OCA。
Then the second process is pasting the OCA on the polarizer. 是这样吗？我感觉那要撕掉才可以贴。Make sure it is in the right direction.
你看是不是准的？我这
我就说这个要弄掉啊。
肯定撕掉啊。
Okay, fine. There is no bubbles. So during this process, the important thing is that after you make a accurate alignment for it, make sure that your strength is through the thumb to this roller, and while you pull it over to the right side, make sure that your other 4 fingers lift this handle, and then your thumb is press down the strength on this roller, so it can make perfect results. And make sure it is quickly up while you pull it out to the right side. Okay. And the second side, last process for iPhone 5 is that you will need to make sure make a little anti-static glue on the LCD. 怎么出不来呀？
哎，这样子。
好，能的。
你不是记的吗？
因为我看他们是那个呀。This is for anti-static.
错了，方向错了。涂这里。
Just make sure that it is connected with the polarizer film will be okay. So only one corner is okay. No need to coat the whole line. And this anti-static glue is only necessary for iPhone 5, 5S, and 5C. For other phones, it is not necessary, because without anti-static glue, after you do finish your refurbishment, the LCD display may come up with some images or some lines because of static issue. So make it. 等它干掉是不是？
嗯。
And we need to wait， 是不是太多了？等几分钟？
等干了。
We have to wait for it to dry.
直接弄吧，不管它。
OK。